Thank you, Louis, for that story of Justin Bieber getting deported back to Canada and getting his green card revoked.
Oh, you're welcome, Jorge. And now to our weatherman, Jose, who is currently in Madrid, Spain.
Thank you, Louis and Jorge. Well, alright then. Now on to the Latino weather. Weather. Cough, cough. It's not weatherman Jose Velasquez. Talking live from Latino TV, where we serve plátanos with a side of salsa. Oh, isn't that picante? Alright then. Anyways, today in Madrid, Spain, there is a stationary front coming through, meaning that it will be pretty cloudy and sort of wet outside. Well, just in case you didn't know, a front is a boundary between air masses, and air masses are bodies of air that have temperature, pressure, and moisture. The air masses in this area is continental polar, which is a polar area over land. We are also soon to receive a high pressure system, which usually means that it will be cool, clear, and calm. There's a humidity rate of 66%. This means that it will be pretty moist outside. We currently have a 21% chance of precipitation, so we may have some rain. Today's high will be 33 degrees Fahrenheit and a low of 37 degrees Fahrenheit. These temperatures are quite cold, but very usual in this pressure system. The local winds, which are the wind patterns in local areas, are currently blowing towards the west. Other than local winds, there are global winds, which are large patterns of convection currents. To understand the direction, we have to understand the Coriolis effect, which is the movement of air particles depending on the hemisphere. The uneven heating of the earth creates these winds, because not every part of the world receives the same amount of light due to the tilt of the earth. This not only creates winds, but also currents, seasons, and climates. Now, for tomorrow's weather, we will be having a high temperature of 51 degrees Fahrenheit and a low temperature of 38 degrees Fahrenheit. This continues with the cold temperatures being provided by the stationary front and high pressure system in the area. Just as yesterday, there's a 21% of precipitation, meaning the chances of rain aren't very likely. The wind direction has also changed from west to northeast. The weather conditions are cold and cloudy because of the type of pressure system and front. There has been a small change in the humidity rate from 66% to 69%. This means that the atmosphere in this area will be moist. Okay, well, on a totally different area, which is Sao Paulo, Brazil, there's a great difference on the weather. In this area, the temperature high is 91 degrees Fahrenheit and the low is 63 degrees Fahrenheit. This is way hotter than how it's going in Madrid, Spain. There's a 0% chance of precipitation in the area, so we won't have any rain around. The air direction is going north. In this area, there is currently a warm front and a low pressure system. Because of this, there is warm and sunny weather. There's also a 30% humidity rate, so it won't feel very moist outside. Well, that's it for today, vatos. You feel me, man? For now, back to the lab with Louis and Jorge.
Thank you, Jose, for the weather. Now for one last report. Scientists have discovered a new species. It is a dog-like creature. Here are some glimpses. Well, the scientists were kind enough to bring them to the studio, and these are the two creatures. I don't know if you can see them. This one has tricks. Come here, dog. Come here. Come here, dog. Come here, dog. Sit.
Demon dog!
Sit.
Demon dog!
Demon dog. Sit.
Well, that's it for today. We'll see you next time on Latino TV.